Fine then. So let me start. Let me prepare a running notes for you guys. I'm sure Panda's introduction. Thirty-one, 32, 11. I hope series introduction. Am I right or not, sir? Yeah, good. Series introduction. Keep in mind that. Online team, can you hear me? Good evening, everyone. So welcome back to the session. Online team, fine then. Good. Yesterday, almost a few guys I have connected with them to fix their issue actually. Still few guys are in pending. Maybe Srikanth sir, I will connect you. Yesterday, I connected with few of students. I fixed the error actually. If anyone is facing issue, pandas issue, I will help you. Okay. But meanwhile, today I will show you how to execute the examples in another platform also. Yeah. Good. All right. So can I make it? This one is. Can I close this one? Yeah. Now I would like to say this is running topic. And what is the fourth topic? Come here. Fourth one. Series attributes and series methods. Such an important topic, sir. Maybe today we are going to discuss. We'll see. Very easy. Yeah, good. So Panda series introduction. We are not done, right? So in between, I explained how to create a series by using empty and by using list actually. Am I right or not, sir? Good. So many people opt in today. Maybe for them the festival started, I guess. Even they are in not in online also. Important session, sir. Let me help them with record actually. Important. Why? Because these are all fundamentals. If they don't know these fundamentals, they cannot understand upcoming topics actually. Good. Yeah, anyway, we are here. I will give a small recap actually. Yeah, we are here actually. Am I right? Good. So fine then. Till now, I have covered about first one is a pandas introduction. What is the first one? From this chapter, you guys need to understand pandas is a Python library. By using that, we can do data analysis. By using that, what we can do? Data analysis. Second step is pandas having the data structures to handle the data. Something like the purpose of data structure is storing the data, processing the data. Good. Like a Python, how it is having the data structures. Pandas also having the data structures. There are mainly three. First one is a series. Next one, data frame. Third one, panel. Actually, good. I have explained. And chapter number 1, you need to understand how to install pandas. How to install pandas, sir? Pip install pandas. Most of the guys, 95 members, it will work actually. There are here and there 3 to 5 members, it may be fail. Like a pip recognized, unable to recognize that command error. One more error will be yesterday, fatal error actually. Yeah, fatal error. I will help you how to fix. Then from the chapter number 2, you guys need to understand the first one is a series introduction. What is the first one? Series introduction. It's a simple series means single column data. Series means what exactly? Single column data. Yes, series is also called as a predefined class. Series is also called as what exactly? Predefined class actually. Good. Now let me show you one small diagram for your better understanding. Yeah, good. Sir, a equals to 10. Can I say it is what exactly? Integer value. What value? Integer value. Good. Now let me create a small series actually. I need your help. If you wanted to create an example in terms of this series, let me show you how to create. In another 2 minutes, we will enter into the actual session. Please focus on this. Import pandas as PD. Good. Tell me, sir. A equals to, let me just try to create, instead of A, let me give B, sir. B equals to 10, 20, 30, 40. Good. Tell me, sir. S equals to PD dot series and here B. Very good. Now let me just try to print what exactly, sir? Yes, actually. Save this example and demo1.py, all files, go to the desktop, program, save this example. Good. Now let me just try to execute this. Yeah. Sir, I'm sure you know this one actually. Am I right? Good. Whenever you are printing the series, I know series is printing the output is in a 3 format actually. Whenever you are printing the series, you are getting output in how many formats, sir? 3 formats. The first one is the index. First one is what exactly? Index actually. Index. Next one is a data type. Third one is what exactly? Data. Exactly. The first one is the index. Next one is the data type. Third one is what exactly? Data. These are all 3 representation it is printing. Sir, now today I would like to give a small example. What is example? A equals to 10. A equals to what exactly? Backend. Let me show you how it is getting creating. Yeah. Now backend, one simple variable object is created. This object name is a and which is pointing to a. What is the value, sir? Tell me. Value is what exactly? 10. Very good. Now here, can somebody tell me what is this object actually? Yes object. Am I right? What object? Yeah, good. Now backend, one big object is created. This object name is a yes actually. This object name is what exactly, sir? Yes. Inside of this yes, you can't believe this total data stored actually. Let me show you. You have to imagine in such a way that now let us just try to take this one. You can just try to add here exactly, man, like this. Means yes is an object. Inside that object would have a data. Would have what exactly? Like how a single variable is holding the single value. S is a series. S is what exactly, sir? Series. Something like a single column data it is storing actually. That's what beautiful. The power of this object is it can store 10 value. It can store 1 crore value. Sir, no limitation. Up to you. You do have a 100 crores values actually. Yes, you can store. That's the beauty actually. Performance wise is super fast. When I'm creating any object, something like this, you have to come always in this imagination. Then that is seriously very good actually. Are you getting or not? And I will explain these are all examples in upcoming very well actually. Now, I hope you understand these are all examples, man. Am I right or not? Good. I hope you're getting good. So let us continue. I already explained yesterday. Few more stuff actually. Yeah. This one I have explained. Sir, first of all, let me know. I have created a series object. I have created what exactly? Series object. But let me tell you, series object is created, but there is no name for the single column. There is no what exactly, sir? Name. There is no name actually. If you wanted to give a name, you can give a name. I'm repeating again. So here, just a single column data. For that column, there is no name. For that column, what exactly? No name. If you wanted to assign a name, you can assign, sir. You can assign actually. How to assign, now you can just try to come here. You just need to apply small syntax actually. What is that syntax? Just try to give a space here. We have to add one syntax actually. What is that syntax? Did anyone remember this kind of syntax? During some object creation or else some function calling, providing like this. Did anyone remember? Excellent, sir. Who responded actually? Keyword augment. What is the topic name? Keyword argument. Did you remember one day I told, sir, keyword argument is a very, very important. Keyword argument is a very, very important. Same thing like that actually. Whenever you are creating series object, you are providing the data, that is okay. Along with the data, if you wanted to provide the name for the single column, if you wanted to provide what exactly name for the single column, then you have to use a one syntax. That syntax name is called as a keyword argument. What is the syntax name? Keyword or keyword name is a fixed actually. Keyword name is what exactly? You should not change this one. This name you can give anything actually. This name what exactly? You can give anything. One more point you need to understand. Now previously there is no name for series actually. Now can I press enter button? Good. Let me tell you. When I'm pressing enter button, what is the column name actually? Tell me. Tell me, sir. Daniel actually. Now that column name will come at bottom, but not top actually. I'm repeating again. Column name, it will be display at bottom, but not top actually. There is a reason. I will tell you later actually. Now let us just try to run this example. Okay. Did you notice here no name, but here there is a name. What is that name actually? Do let me know. Daniel. What is that name? Daniel. Guys, are you getting or not? There is a specific reason why the name of the column is displaying at bottom. During data frame I will cover. Trust me, if I will cover means, if I said I will cover means I will cover actually. Guys, are you getting or not, sir? Good. Conclusion of the story. In the given syntax, this is series object, this is list object. Sir, this syntax, keep in mind that we are going to discuss more than 1,000 times. More than how many times actually? 1,000 times. And here onwards, whenever this kind of syntax came, I will use always one word actually. What is that word? My favorite syntax. What is that one actually? My favorite syntax. Then immediately how to think? Keyword argument. What is that one? Keyword argument actually. Keep in mind that. Now take this example. The topic is a very, very important, man. Now get ready. I will just try to place over the output, or else program you have to respond actually. Please observe this one. Can somebody tell me? Sir, import, what is this one? Keyword, very good. Series, what is this? Class, very good. Predefined class, what is that one? Predefined class. And this is what exactly? Object or variable, very good. What kind of variable? List actually. Can somebody tell me what is this syntax? Keyword argument. One more time, sir. Last time. Important, man. Important actually. What is this one? You should know by this time at least actually. If you don't know, what you need to do? Call me, sir. If you you have to, those days gone actually. Practice those days gone. We have to call actually. I will explain very nicely. Yeah, I'm sorry for getting. Let me drink water. Yeah, good. Let's continue. So I trust online team. I hope you're able to see. Yeah, good. Now, a small point I wanted to cover. What is that point? Sir, all these, please focus on this. All these data science examples, data science, what exactly? Data science examples are programs where we are running actually in our local laptop. We are running in our what exactly? Local laptop we are running. This is the one way. Any one of you may ask a question. Hey Daniel, can I execute all these examples in a online? Can I execute all these examples in a online? Who can execute, sir? That online environment is called as a Google Colab. What is that online environment actually? Did I cover this one? Did I cover actually? I hope did I shown how to execute actually? But I will show you one more time. I will show you what exactly one more time actually. Good. I'm repeating again. Here, you no need to install any library. I mean, let me run this example, sir. Let me run what exactly? This example, copy paste, and I will show you the output actually. Any Python example, pandas example, machine learning example, no limitation. You can write any kind of example over online. Over what exactly? Online. Conclusion of the story, you no need to install pandas in your laptop also. You can still execute all these examples in online actually. Let me show you. Good. Keep in mind that online team, everyone please focus. To execute all these examples in a Google Colab is a environment. Google Colab is what exactly? Environment. This environment belongs to data science working environment. data science practice environment actually. What exactly done, Google company already predicted 5 years back only. Google company thought like, no doubt at all, feature is the data science only. Feature is what exactly? Data science only. Let me provide the running environment for all members as a free. All members as what exactly? Free actually. If you wanted to work with this Google Colab, these steps you need to follow. The first one will be, first of all, you have to open the Google actually. Guys, I hope you know how to open Google, right? Yeah, first open a Google. Open Google. Very good. And the next one will be, you have to sign in with your Gmail. Hold on, let me explain from scratch. Good. Once you open Google, then here you need to search Google Colab. You need to search what exactly? Google Colab actually. Right, good. Search Google Colab. Google what exactly, sir? Colab. Good. Keep in mind that. Once you are searching Google Colab, you can just try to enter this one. Then automatically you can see one kind of URL. What is that URL actually? Tell me. Welcome to Collaboratory. Read everyone. Welcome to Collaboratory. Good. Now you can just try to click on this one. Whenever you are clicking on this one, it will first of all sign in is required, sir. What is required actually? Sign in is required. Click onto the sign in. Yeah. So you have to sign in with your Gmail actually, not with me. Yeah, exactly. Once you have signed in, the environment looks like this actually. Sir, team, are you getting? Good, very simple. Then go to the file. Go what exactly? File. Click on new notebook. Click on what exactly? New notebook. One time practice, man. You can easy to understand. Click on this one. Then you will get automatically such a environment. How to execute the examples actually. Seriously, very good. Please focus on this one. All examples you can run over online actually. This is very good. Now let me just try to practice. I mean, here you can see something like this. So here if you want, you can rename this one practice 5:30 5:30 p.m. batch actually. Yes. Now here you can write an example. First example in a Python example. What is the example? Tell me. Print hello world actually. Good. Sir, the beauty with this environment will be print, then just open parenthesis symbol, close, it will come automatically. Bumper offer. I mean to say that if you are opening, closing will come automatically. Same thing like that. Double quote you can start actually. Double end quote also will get automatically. Then here, don't expect, sir, can I get a hello world automatically? No, no, no. You have to type actually, sir. Now just try to come here. Hello world. Yeah, I hope this is the button. You have to press on this one. First time it takes some time. It is connecting with the Google environment. First time it takes some time. Second time onwards it will run very quickly. Wow, you got an output actually, sir. This is seriously super environment. Team, are you getting? Good, man. Can we do series example? So that you will get a clear picture actually. Yeah, sir, series example if you wanted to do in a next line, overlap your mouse here actually. Now just try to say, whenever you are hovering your mouse, you can get code plus symbol, right? Click on here, one more environment will come here. Something like this. Click on here, the environment will come. Click on here, the environment will come here actually. Tell me, sir, how to write the code actually? Series example. Tell me what is the first line? Import. Tell me, sir. Pandas as PD. Very good. Next one is what exactly? A equals to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Next one is S equals to PD dot series of, next one is A, comma, name equals to Daniel. Now what I need to print, sir? Print of, yes, done. Now you can just try to execute this example. As of now, you don't focus. These are all things actually. Just try to execute. These are all example very nicely. Click on this one. You can just try to say, wow, output successfully got an output, sir. Did you understand? Like this, you can execute all examples. Did I install anything actually? No. Google company is providing already predefined, pre-installed setup actually. Indirectly, Google company is encouraging all who are learning data science actually. Why? Because during batch start, many people asked a question, sir, do I need to buy new laptop actually, like a 50,000, 60,000? Not required, sir. If you are having decent internet connection actually, even if your laptop is slow, come here and you can execute all examples actually. That's really beautiful. Are you getting or not, sir? Good. Let me show you one more time, please. Let me show you one more time. The total steps I will explain one more time actually. Good. Now, what we need to do, sir? First, we need to sign in. I hope you already know. Click on this one. Open Google. And anyway, you already signed in actually. Here, what I need to search actually? Google Colab. Yeah, you have to click on Welcome to Collaboratory. And one pop-up will come. If you want, you can just try to create a new notebook. If you want, you can create here new notebook actually. Otherwise, cancel this one. Go to the file and create what exactly, sir? New notebook. New notebook, it will be created automatically. Please focus. Online team, are you following, sir? It is a very easy. Arati, what is your doubt? I didn't understand actually. So what is the difference between Jupyter, Google Colab, Anaconda? Dinesh, I will cover, sir. Dinesh, I will cover actually. Arati, can you, sir, yesterday doubt. I was putting address instead of address instead of name was getting name. We should not add actually. Even I will tell you. Arati, I will tell you actually. Hold on. Now here, what do you guys need to do? Print off. Hello. Now click on run button. First time it takes time, sir. Hey, come on, man, please. Seems to be internet connection is like a chakra. It is rotating like anything actually. Sir, if internet connection should be somewhat speed actually. Internet connection should be somewhat speed, right? Now copy paste this example. I don't have much patience. Copy paste this. I'm very good in copy paste, sir. Let us just try to run this one. Yeah, just try to see. You are getting an output. Am I right or not, sir? Good. Like this, we can execute. Are you getting? Good, man. Fine. One of the student is asking a question, sir. Here, name is a predefined keyword argument. You should not change actually. Instead of name, can I give address? No. Instead of name, what exactly? Can I give address? No. Unexpected keyword argument error you will get actually. What error? Unexpected keyword argument error you will get actually. Let me just try to run this example. Type error. Type error. Got unexpected keyword argument as what exactly? Address. Why? Because this address is not available. Yeah, it can take it out. Pavan, it will take, sir. It will take it out actually. Keep in mind that like this also we can execute the example. Let us continue with the discussion actually. Sir, I hope you understand successfully how to execute the examples over Google Colab. Team, are you getting? Good, man. Yeah, fine. Yesterday, I have explained about how to create the examples by using a list data structure, by using list of names actually, by using heterogeneous values also. Am I right? I'm sure this example, I hope I know need to run. Import pandas as a PD. Names equals to something like a n equals to Prasad, Daniel, Samuel, Jashwant. PD dot series of n name. This is the fixed keyword argument. Can I change this one? No, we should not change. Can I change this one? No, we should not change. Who are all done practice keyword argument? Where we discussed the topic, any idea? Functions, part number 2, topic number 2, page number 4. I mean to say that, yeah, important, sir. The topic is a very, very important actually. Okay. Awesome. Very good, sir. All right. Do I need to execute this example? I hope you can do this one actually. I have a trust on you. Yeah. Sir, this is a bit important. Please focus on this. Look at me. Look at my screen, everyone, actually. Good. One more time, let me execute this role example. Import pandas as PD. Good. A equals to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Hold on. Intentionally, I am taking this much long values. Hold on. 100. Now, come on, sir, very quickly. I need your help, boss, please. PD dot series of A. Let me just try to print A. Let me just try to print what exactly? A actually. Let us just try to run this example. What happened? Yeah, good. I need to print S because series object I just wanted to print. Cool. Yeah, all 10 values we are getting. Started from 10, 20, 30, respectively 100 value. Am I right? Good. Sir, let me take more than, I mean, let me take 100 values, or else 200 values actually, or else how many values? 200 values. If you wanted to take a 200 values, can I take something like a r equals to range of starting 100, I wanted to take it out, 2 not 1, can I take like this? You can take, am I right or not? Starting value 100, end value, I will cry, what is the value? 200 actually, am I right? Now here instead of a, what you can provide? R. Now execute this example. Now let us just try to run this example. Please look at my example. Previously, if just a matter of 10 values, it is displaying all 10 values actually. But now how many values, sir? Do let me know. 100 values. Now run the example. Sir, if it is the 100 values in a series data structure, what it will do, top 5 values, bottom 5 values, it will be displayed by default. Top 5 values, just try to see. Okay, what is the top 5 values? Top 5 values actually 100, 101, respectively 104, and a dot means, did you remember since our childhood, whenever you are doing copy paste actually from the person, like what you will write actually, above line only, something like a dot exactly. Conclusion of this story means, in between would you have a data, in between what exactly would you have a data, something like this. Am I right or not, sir? Hope you are getting. Come on. Yeah, in this example, I'm just trying to creating r equals to range of 100, converting into list. List here I'm providing something like this actually. Why today I have taken 100, Why? Because this is the index and this is the value. This is what exactly? Index, and this is what exactly? Value. But if you have taken directly like this actually, r equals to directly 100, index value and value, it will come both same actually. And one more point will be, did you notice here, sir? Length also it is displaying, man. What it is displaying? Length also. Seriously, very good. That point you need to keep it out actually. Good. Creating a series by using array. Hold on. Let me talk with online team once actually. Online team, I need a response, man, from every one of you. Are you getting? Can I get a response? Kiran, we can do by using a step value. By using step value, but in real time we are not using. Kiran, we can do that. Archana, Chandu, Begum, Srinath, Srinivas, only few members only. What happened to others? Only few members are responding, sir. Come on. Yeah, this I can cover later. Why? Because to understand this topic actually, you should understand a topic. The topic name is called as a NumPy package actually. What is a package? NumPy package. This we'll discuss. We will discuss later. Later in the sense, during NumPy topic. What topic actually? NumPy topic. Please focus. I'm requesting everyone, please focus actually. Let's take this example. Come on. We are almost very near, man, to close this series actually. Good. This one also array. I can explain later. This one also array. I can explain later. Please trust me, I will explain later. This one also array. Easy, man. You will understand very easily. Creating a series by column from what exactly? Data frame. This topic also you will understand during data frame discussion. What discussion, sir? Data frame. As of now, you can skip actually. This point we will learn during what exactly? Data frame chapter. Read last one actually. Yeah, yes, sir. I know. You will say thanks actually. Good. The next topic name is what exactly? Index in series. Interesting, sir. Please focus. Index in series. The same copy paste index, man, like a list data structure, but this index is a very important. Please focus. There is a small difference between list data structure and list index and series index. Repeating again, there is a small difference in between list index and series index. That point I am going to cover. Please focus on this. Yeah, first point. Index means the position of value where it stores. Am I right? The position of value where it stores. Just try to say. Let me talk about 101. What is the index, sir? 1. The position of this value pointing to the 1. The position, best example, my address is housing board actually. Something like the position of, my address where I'm staying actually. Something like this. Whenever you're talking about this value, the position of this value is 1 actually. Can somebody tell me the position of this value is what exactly? 97. This is something like index. The index is a core feature in a pandas. Index is what exactly? Very, very important feature and vital feature. By default, index is assigned to what exactly? Every value. Every value backend it is having the index actually. No doubt in that. From the output, the leftmost column is what exactly, sir? Index column. The generic name for index is also called as a access, but not access bank actually. This is called as a access. What is that one? I mean to say that, sir, this is having mainly three names actually. This you can also call as a index. You can also call as a access. You can also call as a label. You can also call as what exactly? Label actually. You can also call, right? But index is the general notation we are using in a real time. Good. Index default value. The default values for the index are what exactly, sir? Integer. The index starts from 0, 1, 2, 3. Based on require. Yeah, this point is a bit important. This point is a bit important. Please focus on this one actually. Let me talk about this point. Let me talk about this point. Sir, please focus. Everyone. Good. A equals to, tell me, 10, 20, 30, 40. Now let me just try to print off here. Let me just try to print off what exactly? Yeah. Then all this 10 value to be stored in the backend, something like this. Am I right or not, sir? Good. What is the 10th index actually? Tell me, sir. 0. Next one is 1. Next one, 2. Next one, 3. Good. This is the way for the Python indexing concept. Am I right? Let me tell you. When I was discussing about the Python list data structure, I explained very clearly. If you want, you can change this value as a 99. If you want, you can change that value as what exactly? 99. In a Python data structure, I'm always talking about you can change the data, but I didn't discuss, even that is not possible. Can I change the index actually? Not possible. But in Panda series data structure, if you want, you can change this index also. That is really beautiful. Now read this point. Based on requirement, we can customize what exactly? This index. By default, index is starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hurry, Daniel. I don't want default index actually. I need index as a B, C, D. Possible, possible, sir. I need index as a 100, 200, 300, 400. Possible, possible, sir. Let me show you that example. Team, are you getting or not, sir? Conclusion of this story. Whenever you are creating a single column data, index we are getting, data we are getting. What we are getting, sir? Index we are getting, data we are getting. Point number one is, if you want, you can change the index. If you want, you can change what exactly? Index. Let me show you one example so that you will get a very clear picture. Very simple, sir. Very simple. Let me show you. Yeah, I need your help actually. Come on. The first one will be import pandas as a PD equals to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Or else 40 is fine. Good. S equals to, tell me, sir, PD dot series of, yeah, very good. Let me just try to print what exactly. Yes, actually. Tell me what is index actually? 0, 1, 2, 3. Am I right? One more time, sir. 0, 3. Good. Let me print that one. I hope you already know this example. Yeah, now the question will be, Array Daniel, I don't want index will be 0, 1, 2, 3. I need index will be, hold on. This is the existing output actually. Yeah, this is the, but I'm expected output will be expected output. What output I'm expecting, you know? What output I'm expecting, you know? Just you can take this one. You can take this one. Instead of 0, I need something like 11. Instead of 11, I need something like a 12 actually. Instead of 12, I need something like a 77. Instead of 3, I need something like a 99. Can I get it? You can get it, sir. You can get it actually. This is something like a customizing the index, changing the index, modifying the index, updating the index. Is it possible? Are you getting? Let me show you practically. Come on. So the same example you have to replicate actually. Come here. Nothing is there, sir. What you need to do, you know, just try to come here. Create a one more list actually. That list can be b equals to what is the first index value you need actually? 11. Tell me, sir. 11. Next one is a 12. Next one is 77. Next one is 99. Intentionally here 13, 14 I didn't given. If I given, you may think like, index can be order actually. Are man, index can be disorder also. Index can be what exactly? Disorder also. Right, good. Now what you can do, here, sir, just try to come here. A, comma, A what exactly? Comma, get ready. My favorite index, my favorite syntax actually. What is the syntax? Index equals to B. Index equals to what exactly? What is that syntax? Keyword augment, punishment man. 3 times actually. Read everyone. Keyword augment. Second time. Third time. Will you forget actually? No, no. If I say my favorite syntax, you have to tell immediately keyword augment. What augment? See, previously I already covered. Now I am covering like this 1,000 times, sir. Very, very important actually. This topic will be right. Now execute this example. Sir, compare the output actually. Such a nice output, man. Means when you're talking about the series, it is giving a scope, it is giving a chance. Hello boss, do you wanted to change the index? You can change actually. Do you want to change the value? You can change actually. It is no restriction. What exactly, sir? No but same topic we didn't discuss in a list data structure. Am I right or not, sir? Because in list data structure that requirement is not possible, not required actually. But in a data science, changing the index also possible. Now I am sure this point you can easy to understand. What is the point? Based on requirement, we can customize this index. We can customize what exactly? Guys, are you getting? Good. Online team, let me talk with you. Are you following? 1 minute, sir. Yeah, good. Sorry, sir. Tell me, what is your question? Hey, good question, man. Awesome question, actually. Yeah, I understand your question. One word is enough to catch your question, actually. What is the sorry? Can I answer? Good. What is the question? Are Daniel, seems to be. Do you think index is unique actually? Can I give the duplicate value also? Can I give what exactly? Duplicate value also we can give. That's what I'm telling. No restriction. According to you, you can provide actually. That is added advantage. I can cover actually. First of all, let me show you. First one is already 11. Let us make it this one also 11. Let us make it this one also what exactly? 11. Execute this example. But these are all discussion I can explain later, sir. See, first index is what exactly? 11. Second index is what exactly? 11. Possible. This is added advantage. Later I can cover actually. Please. Definitely will cover. Pull the value. Automatically first value will get, last value also will get it actually. That's what I'm telling. I can cover later. That's what I'm telling, sir. This is an added advantage actually. Now hold on. Let me tell you. Assuming that this is the Samsung product, 10,000. This one also Samsung product, 12,000 actually. Possible. Possible actually. Right? As of now, you can keep think like, it is not unique. It is not what exactly? Unique. Duplicate also possible. What is possible? Duplicate also possible. When I can cover this point, there is a topic name is called as a group by set by index. Set index actually. Not here, sir. I'm sorry. Not here. LOC, ILOC. Here I will cover. Control S, set underscore index. Yeah. Sir, why the index can be duplicate? I'm sure you guys will understand in what is the topic name, The topic name is LOC and ILOC. 13th topic. What topic actually? 13th topic. I will cover. As of now, if I am covering, a little bit confusion for other guys actually. Good. We'll get it, man. Kusuma, I'm sure it is possible. We'll get it actually. Arati, that is not at all important. The discussion is not at all important actually. Let us continue the discussion. Being a data scientist, I know what is important in a real-time perspective actually. Kindly please follow the same. Thank you for understanding. Let us move on. These are also called as what exactly, sir? Access level. Come on. This is a index. This is a data. This is what exactly? Column name. But column name, where you will get it actually? Bottom. Where you will get it actually? Bottom or down also we can say. Come on. Next one. Yeah, look at this example. Sir, any questions here? Any questions? No questions actually. Tell me. Series is what exactly? Predefined class. One more time. Import is a keyword. Pandas is a package name. Print is a predefined function. Good. Can I execute this example? Not required, sir. Next one. Here, what exactly we are doing? We are giving name. We are giving name to the series. We are giving what exactly? Name to the series. What is the name actually? Do let me know. Counts, something like this. My favorite syntax. What is this? One more time. Last time. Important. Yeah, my favorite syntax, two syntax. First one is name as a keyword argument. Next one is what exactly? Index I. It's a right time. I need to tell one very, very important point. Get ready to understand. Very, very important point. Please focus on this. Hmm. Many people may ask a question. Hey, Daniel, can I change this name as a something like a name one, name two, name three? That might be the valid question. Can I change this one as the index one, index two, index three? That might be valid question actually. Let me show you that question first of all. Practical, I will show you. Please, hold on the discussion. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Control X. This point I can cover later. Yeah, please. This topic is very, very important and I will explain slowly. Please focus on this. What is the topic name? DEF. Let us just try to take a something like wish actually. And here A or else DEF, the very well known example. Add. Let me just try to take A comma B. Now print off. Let me just try to print A value. Let me just try to print what exactly? B value. Add of 10 comma 20. What is that one? What is this topic? Any idea? Function, parameterized function. And can somebody tell me, providing a value for this parameter, this is called as what exactly? Any idea? Very good, man. What is the topic? Positional argument. I hope you guys remembered actually. Very good. Now execute this example. Positional argument. Good. Now, A equals to 10. Can I provide like that? Very good. B equals to 20. Can I provide like that actually? Can I provide like that? Yes, you can provide. Execute this example. Yeah, that is still possible. Sir, instead of A, can I provide A1 actually? Can I provide A1? Please, important actually. Why? Because what is the name of the parameter? A. But what you are providing? A1. Is it? Do you think it is possible? Then you will get an error. Error name is called as what exactly? Yeah, type error. Read your one. Got unexpected keyword argument to what exactly? A1. Now go back and take this line actually. Take this line. Sir, now how backend A1 is not accepting actually this name also predefined. Name also what exactly? We should not change. How you cannot change A as a A1? How you cannot change B as a B23 actually? Same thing like that. Name. Can I change to 1, 2? Can I change to 1, 2, 3? Not possible, sir. Why? Because name is a parameter already defined in a constructor. In what exactly? Construct. I don't want to go depth actually. Why? Because did you remember? Whenever you are creating an object, one thing will execute in backend. What is that one? Constructor. I don't want to go beyond actually. But keep in mind that here name means name only, fixed, something like a Feviquick actually. You should not change. You should not what exactly? Change. If you want just for the timing, I will show you a small example. Keep in mind that. Now just try to come here. Yes, exactly. We are getting a right output actually. If you didn't understand, I will explain one more time actually. Hello, Daniel. Can I change this one? Is a something like this actually? Do you think can we change? Oh, what is the error we will get actually? Type error. What is the description? Unexpected keyword argument. Read your one. Unexpected keyword argument. One more time. More than 1,000 times you will see, sir. More than 1,000 times actually. Conclusion of this story. Keyword arguments topic is a very, very important actually. This is the keyword argument. This is the keyword argument. These are all keyword arguments actually. Are you getting your one? Good. Am I going speed actually? No, right? Let me talk with online team also. Is there any way? Can we display all attributes of this series data? Sir, we can display by using help function actually. Not required. Sriram, good question. Sriram sir, we can display by using help function. What if you have a multiple columns, sir? Can we use keyword argument? Very good. If you are having the multiple columns, then that is not a series actually. That is called as a data frame. That is called as what exactly? Am I right or not, sir? One of our teammate, Pawan is asking, Array Daniel, if you are having the multiple columns, then what is that? Then that is called as a data frame. Exactly. That's what I'm telling. Srikant, good point, sir. Here, exactly. Already Srikant is giving the conclusion. What is the conclusion? Is keyword arguments like a name and index is exactly that's what I'm telling. Name and index is the both are fixed. You should not change actually. You should not what exactly change. Now I would like to say my answer will be a big S actually. A big what exactly, sir? Yes. Am I right or not, sir? Am I right or not? Take this example. If you want, I will revise one more time. Not now, later. Very easy, man. Very easy actually. Good. This example is seriously interesting, sir. So look at the output actually. Don't look at the example, look at the output. Generally, index will be 0, 1, 2, 3. But instead of 0, 1, 2, 3, I'm taking indices as a I mean, if you're talking about the floral, which is index actually, that is called as the indices. What is that one? Indices. Here, instead of 0, 1, 2, 3, what I have taken? Nokia, Samsung, Oppo, iPhone 6. Then what is the value? 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000 actually. Am I right or not, sir? Good. We can execute this one actually. Let me show you. Name also I am providing as a mobile. Based on this output, can we create a program? Based on this output? Get ready. I just wanted to hear from you. Let us just try to come here. Yeah, get ready. I just wanted to create a program according to this output actually. First line is what exactly, sir? Tell me. Import pandas as PD. Very good. Next one will be something like a equals to, tell me, 1000 dot, 2000 dot, 3000 dot, 4000. Very good. Next one is what exactly? B equals to, here what I need to provide? First one is a Nokia. Next one is Samsung actually. Next one is Oppo. Good. Next one is iPhone 6. What is the iPhone 6 cost, sir? $4,000 actually, might be iPhone 6. Very good. Now get ready, sir. Now here onwards, you need to support me actually. Tell me. S equals to PD dot series. First, what I need to provide? What I need to provide? Very good, man. You got it actually. Hold on. Let me print this one. Let me print this one and you will see. Very nice. You guys connected actually. Wow. You are getting what exactly? 1000. But instead of this one, I need what exactly? Mobile name. I need what exactly, sir? Mobile name. Then what we need to do? Comma. Index equals to B. That's it, man. Which one? Oh, name. You wanted to provide name also? Very good, sir. Very nice. Name equals to what exactly? Mobiles. Mobiles information. Mobiles information. Now let us run this example. Seriously, very good, sir. I hope you connected very well actually. I will tell you later. This can be duplicate also. There is a reason. There is a reason actually. I mean, I may not cover all things in one shot actually. Did you understand? Now I have a question, sir. What are all indexes actually? Tell me. Nokia, Samsung, Oppo, iPhone 6. What are all values? 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000. Conclusion of the story, index can be anything. No limitation. Index can be what exactly, sir? Till now, before Python, I mean, before pandas, when I say index always starts from 0, 1, 2, 3. Cheppinde cheppanu kada. 2 to 3 times actually. But when it comes to pandas actually, no, index can be anything. It can be number. It can be what exactly? Something like a string data. Something like what exactly? String data. Cool. All right. Let's just have to move on to the discussion. Good, good, man. I feel so happy. Why are you happy? By looking at the output, you are writing the program. Good. You're coding slowly by slowly. You are shaping your coding actually. Very nice, man. Yeah. Come on. Yeah, I'm sure. I'm sure I know it to explain actually. But here, what I have taken instead of a prices, what I have taken product name. So some name of the variable is a kind of something like a different I have taken actually. Cool. Let's move to the discussion. Accessing values in a series. What is the next one? Accessing values in a series. A simple man. By using index, how we are accessing here also. By using index also, we can access actually. Let's just try to hold on. A equals to 10, 20, 30, 40. I wanted to access 10, sir. How to access actually? A of 0. A of what exactly? 0 actually. Let us just try to run this example. Yeah, 10 we are getting. Same thing, man. Now let me just try to create a series. Import pandas as, come on, pandas as PD. S equals to PD dot series of A. Now here S of what exactly? 0. S of what exactly? 0. Just try to see this example. Yeah, exactly. You are also getting 10 actually. If you want, you can change this value as a 311. Now what is output actually, sir? 311. Exactly. Conclusion of the story. We can access series of values by using index. By using what exactly? Index actually. Good. Possible, sir. Slicing also possible. Mostly slicing we are using in a data frame rather than a series actually. We do have another topic which is called as a data frame. Man, damn sure, damn important actually. What is the time? 6:20. A small kind update actually. Tomorrow there is a session. That session is what exactly? Online mode, not offline actually. Right. I request you, offline who are all coming. I appreciate your interest actually. Only just for tomorrow. You have to bear with me online actually. I will help you with the link and I will share the link before 5 to 10 minutes actually. Yeah, keep continue. Yeah, S of 0, S of, sir. Now let me just try to provide. Let me provide 99 actually. What is output? What is output actually? Good. Nice R&D. What is error? Key error. Something like a backend, it is considered like a dictionary actually. What it is considering? Dictionary. Good. Keep continue. Creating the series and accessing the values. Wow. Please observe this one actually. Good. Nokia, Samsung, Oppo, iPhone 6 actually. Now, Nokia cost I wanted to know. The Nokia price I wanted to know. Then what we need to do? S of Nokia. What we need to do? S of Nokia. S of Nokia. Do you think this is the value? No. What is that one? Index. Very good, man. That point you need to understand. Are you getting or not? Good. Nice. I hope you know prices, product, series I'm creating, S of Nokia, S of Samsung. These are all index of mobiles. Good. Done, man. Series is done actually. Let's move to the next discussion. Nicely, you understand. Today topic is important. I hope everyone attended at least or online actually. We'll see. Sheila ma'am, can I cover this one later? Why? Because so during I made it separate topic actually. I understand very well. Can I cover later actually? Yeah, good. There is a small logic we need to implement. Duplicate keys, duplicate index, how to access. Possible. Absolutely possible. Yeah. So I'm sure pandas introduction, series introduction. Next topic is what exactly? None value. What is the next topic? None value. Get ready. Good. Sir, from the pandas introduction, you should understand by using pandas, we can do the data analysis. Pandas having the three data structures. What are those? Series, data frame, panel. You should know how to install pandas. How to install pandas, sir? Pip install Daniel. Am I right? Pip install. Sir, previously one student what he done. So I got surprised actually. Tell me pip install. What we need to do? But he done Python actually. He done what exactly? No, sir. Python you have to install explicitly. There is no Python library. There is no what exactly? Python library. Please keep in mind that. And whenever you are installing, ensure that pandas. Ensure that what exactly? Pandas actually. It should be in a I recommend you it should be in a lower case only. It should be in what exactly? Lower case only. Whenever you are installing, ensure that internet connection is required. What is required actually? Internet connection is required. Now I'm not sure either you tried this one or not actually. Pip install randomly installed something, it will try to hit the website and it will scold actually. What it is telling, error. First of all, red color. Red color means someone is scolding actually. What it is telling, could not find a version that satisfied actually. Are boss, you are installing some, Andaman Nicobar library actually. I don't know how to install that one. I'm unable to search it. These are all things actually. Whenever you're installing, ensure that that should be exist over the internet actually. Then only it will run and it will install. Otherwise, we'll get an error. Otherwise, we'll get what exactly, sir? Are you getting, sir? Good. Keep in mind that. Yeah. From this series, you need to understand mainly 2 points actually. What is the first point? Series is a predefined. First of all, series can contain single column data. What data? Point number one. Point number two, sir, keep in mind that series is a predefined class. Series is what exactly? The power of class is then we can create an object. We can create what exactly? That object can hold the data. Now, as of now, I'm not showing the operations actually. Here, I will show you the operations. Anyway, inside series, we are storing the data, right? Hey, can I get the minimum value? You can get it, sir. Can I get the maximum value? Can I get the sum of all values? We can get it actually. I will show you step by step. Keep in mind that. And when I'm talking about this topic, you need to understand series is a predefined class. And one more point will be how many ways are available to create a series. Empty series we can create. By using list we can create. As of now, array you can ignore the discussion. During NumPy I will cover. Sir, if I promise I will cover means I will cover actually. Trust me, right? Creating a series by using what exactly? Column from the data frame. To understand this one, you should know about the data frame topic also. And along with that, series index also you should understand. Series index, Python list index, almost similar actually, but there is a small change. What is that one actually? Series index can be customizable. Series index can be modified, can be updated, can be changed actually. Guys, are you getting? Good man, cool. Let's ignore this one. Next topic is what exactly? None value. Very, very important, sir. Good. The topic name is what exactly? None value. Very, very important. Please focus. Just a matter of 5 to 10 minutes discussion. None value. Once after we done this one, we'll enter into the next topic actually. Good. Sir, bit important. Why? Because damn sure interview question. Can you please explain about the none actually and damn sure important question? Please focus on this. The same topic is available in Python, but in Python it is NONE. Python it is what exactly? NONE. NONE means I hope you already know actually. Am I right or not? NONE means nothing but something like a empty value. What value? Empty value. An object is created. Inside of that object, nothing is there. Inside of object, what exactly? Nothing is available. Something like a, if you're coming from Java programming background, this is something like a null. This is something like what exactly? Null representation. So the same topic also is available in pandas, but in pandas the representation is NaN. Pandas representation is what exactly? Sir, damn sure important interview question. Keep in mind that actually. Now come here. Can somebody talk with me? In Python, if you're checking the data type actually, any idea what is the data type for the none actually? Come again? None only. Good. If it is none, why I will ask this question, sir? Just I'm kidding actually, right? Yeah, good. Let me talk. Let me check with online also. None data type. I am back. Srikanth. Very good, sir. None actually. Good. So let me give a small cool warning actually. Revision required, sir. No, sir. No, not Boolean. I will tell you. Hold on. See, if you're on, come again. Okay, good. So let me, yeah, none type, Divya actually. Nice answer. Let me show you. Let me show you. Open command prompt. Sir, small revision required for you. Previous topics. You guys are not doing revision. A equals to none. And type of A. Type of what exactly? Yeah. Now just try to see what is the data type actually? None type. What is the data type? None type. Don't think like 50%. I already answered actually. Just 50% is what exactly? Type only. Come on, sir. You will not eat chapati only 50%, right? None type actually. Now this point is important. First of all, what do you mean by NaN? The NaN means not a number. What is that one, sir? Not a number. It is representing something like it is empty value only. It is what exactly? Empty value only. This NaN also having another name. That name is called as a missing value. That name is called as what exactly? Missing value. Value is missing. I will tell you. And this one also having another name. That name is a not a number. Not what exactly? Number. I am repeating again. In pandas, first of all, I will tell you the reason when we are going to use actually. Let me give a small quick introduction. In a Python, how we do have a NONE? In pandas also same topic is available, but the syntax is a different. The representation is a different. In pandas, NONE is representing as a NAN. NAN means you can also still say as a empty value, but having the special name. What is that name actually? Missing value. And this is also the full form is a not a number. Full form is what exactly? Sir, none. What is the data type actually? Tell me. None type. But you know what? The none data type is a float actually. None data type is what exactly? Damn sure interview question. In a pandas, NAN. Do let me know the data type actually. You may think like a none only. No, 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 no. NAN belongs to floating data type. What data type actually? I will tell you the reason. Keep in mind that this is very, very important actually. Team, are you getting or not, sir? Good. Hold on. It's the right time. Let me give a what do you mean by NAN quick introduction? Right. So let me give a quick introduction actually. Quick intro. Right. Quick introduction. Good. Keep in mind that. Let me explain step by step. Assuming that Naresh IT announced, announced data science demo, sir. Announced what exactly? Data science demo. Data science demo actually. Cool. Once Naresh IT announced the data science demo, offline students, these are all offline students actually. Offline students. Though offline students came, Naresh IT have given a white paper actually. You guys need to fill the data. First one is a name. Next one is a mobile number. Next one is a location. Next one is what exactly? Location. Guys, are you getting? Assuming that Naresh IT announced one offline demo actually, data science demo, and a so and so date. And Naresh IT is trying to collecting the numbers actually. Name, mobile, location. Why these are all details? Tell me. To for contacting and to connect actually. They should collect the details. They should collect what exactly? Details actually. This is also called as a collecting the data. This is also called as what exactly? Collecting the data actually. Good. Now the first person name is a Ranjan. What is the first person name actually? Ranjan actually. Then he shared his mobile number. Very good. And his location is a Hyderabad. Second person name is a Prabhas. What is that one actually? Prabhas. Assuming that our star hero Prabhas also came to the demo actually. And he shared his mobile number. And he is from where exactly, sir? High tech city. Something like that. High tech city. He came across data science is the future actually. He also came for our demo. Just imagine. He didn't came, sir. Though Prabhas came, Anushka madam also came, sir. Just assuming that, imagine. Anushka madam also came. So when she has seen mobile number actually, she missed that column and she is telling like a Hyderabad actually. Do let me know. Is management will force actually? Boss, you have to give your mobile number. Will they force actually? They never force. The next one will be Prasad. Next one will be what exactly? One more person. He didn't share his name actually. And location he is sharing something like, so I came from Bangalore, something like that. And one more person only sharing the name and, only sharing the name, no mobile number, no location. Sir, assuming that management collected the data, you know what? There are some missing values. There are what exactly? Missing values. Now I would like to say this is missing. What is that one actually? Missing. Can I say this one also? What exactly? Missing. Can I say this one also? What exactly? Missing. This one also? Sir, missing value representation is NAN. Missing value representation is what exactly? NAN. If you have given this data, to the pandas, assuming that above data we have given what exactly, sir? Given to pandas actually. Then what pandas will do, sir? Take this one and you can just try to take it out. Where are all missing is available, it will be replaced with what exactly? NAN. That point you need to understand, man. In future I will cover this point very well actually, but as of now you keep focus on this one actually. Conclusion of the story: whenever you are collecting the data, there may be a chance data can be missed. There may be a chance. What exactly, sir? It possible. Am I right or not, sir? Can I focus so and so customer number? I should get it actually. Management. No, they never focus actually. Just they will make it something like optional. Up to you. If you want, you can provide. Otherwise, you just came for entertain the session actually. Something like a just attending the demo. Something like this, right? Where are all data is missing? That is called as a missing data actually. If you have given this data to the pandas don't know what is the missing. Automatically where are all missing is available, it will be represented with what exactly? NAN. What is that one? Team, are you getting your one? All right, man, I hope you got it. Online team, can I get a response? Are you getting your one? Yeah, all right. Sir, don't try to call to this number actually. This is just for dummy number I'm giving. Are you getting or yeah, yeah. Let's move on. Now please observe this one. Please. The full form of NAN is a not a number. The purpose of NAN is to represent what exactly? Missing value. Tell me, sir. Missing values in data. The data type of NAN is what exactly? Float. Damn sure interview question, man. Many people will get it confused. NAN means non-data type actually. NAN means what exactly? No, it is not a non-data type. In Python, it is a non-data type. In Pandas, it is what exactly, sir? Float. Tell me, sir. Float. Good. During data analysis, we need to handle these NaN values. We need to handle what exactly? These NaN values. This point, let me tell you. I made it, this one is a separate topic, but let me give a small kick introduction. Let me give what exactly, sir? Small kick introduction actually. Good. Come here. Read everyone actually. During data analysis, where are all NaN is available, we need to what exactly? Handle. Let us just try to make it, this one is a separate discussion. Hold on. Good. Sir, this topic I made it, so this point we will discuss during 12th chapter. What chapter actually? 12th chapter. What is the chapter name, Go back and just try to see here. Yes. What is the topic name, sir? Handling missing value. I know, sir. What is the topic and what is the document? Why? Because I created actually. The topic name is a handling missing value. 12th chapter I will topic. But let me give a small kick introduction. Hey, what do you mean by handle? What do you mean by what exactly? Handle. Let me tell you. Let me tell you. Good. Sheila ma'am. Yeah. We do have a default value, so I will cover you. I will cover actually. Let us just try to have a discussion, man. Assuming that in my 6th standard, exactly this was happened, man. In my 6th standard, this was happened. Let me explain. There was a teacher. Teacher name is called as a not Karuna actually. I didn't forget, sir. Lakshmi ma'am. Anyway, that is not important in question actually. Lakshmi ma'am conducted exam. Conducted what exactly? Exam. Before conducting the exam, she told very clearly, don't miss the exam. Don't miss what exactly? Exam actually. Generally, during 6th standard, if you won't like the subject actually, what happened? We'll get a stomach pain. We'll get what exactly? Stomach pain. We'll tell to our parents, hey, I'm getting a stomach pain. Then what parents will tell? Stop the school actually. Am I right or not, sir? But my parents never tell, sir. Even with stomach pain also, I need to go to the exam actually. Good. Let me tell you. Yeah, exactly, sir. Now let me tell you. Student number 1, STD1 and STD2. Let me just try to take a Prasad. Let me just try to take a Nirikshan and a Suguna. Good. I would like to say subject 1. Next one is what exactly, sir? Subject 2. Let me take a subject 3. Subject 3 actually. Good. Now, yes, exactly. Coming to the Prasad. Subject number 1. Something like a out of 100. He got it something like a 78 actually. Out of 100, 70, 66. And, 45. Next one. Let me add Suguna. Sir, girls, right? Toppers actually. No doubt at all. 99, 100. Sometimes 101 also. That might be wondering actually. Just I'm kidding. Good. Now coming to the Nirikshan, frankly speaking, there is a subject 1 actually. I won't like that subject, man. Then even though madam have given warning actually, we can ignore the warning sometimes. Am I right or not, sir? Unfortunately, I didn't attend that exam. And subject 2 I attended. 36 marks I got it actually. Out of 100 passed actually. And this one is a 37. This is what exactly? 37. Good. Then the day came. The day came actually. Good. Do let me know. Why Lakshmi madam have given warning, let me tell you. Every month end, there is an inspection in my JetPH school actually. What do you mean by inspection? Any idea? One superior will come and he will cross verify who are all regular students, who are all irregular students actually. Then if any student didn't attend the exam, if any student missed the exam, and superior will give warning to the faculty. Superior will give warning to what exactly? Faculty. And who is missing here actually? Tell me. Narration. Because of me, who will get a scolding actually? Lakshmi madam. Then Lakshmi madam will do small manipulation here actually. What she will, first of all, can I say this is the missing value? Am I right or not? Missing value representation is what exactly? NaN. Yeah, Lakshmi madam called me and she given left and right actually. Arey boss, I already told clearly. You should not miss the exam actually. Then why you are missing? Then I hope you know I am overacting actually. Ma'am, you know what? Exactly, I prepared very well. If I attempted that exam, 100 out of 100 I may get actually, something like that. Then madam accepted my answer. Madam thought like, in second subject, how much I got it actually? 36. In next subject, how much I got it actually? Now 37. Then ma'am may think like, let me give 36 actually. Let me give what exactly? 36. This is called as a handling the missing data. This is called as what exactly? Once a data having the missing value, based on scenario, we can handle. Based on scenario, what exactly we can handle? Why we need to handle, for the processing? For what exactly, sir? Team, are you getting or not, sir? Good. Now hold on. This is the NaN. So if we have given above data, like where are all NaN is available. As of now, I wanted to replace with the 36 actually. Take the same data. This is the original data from above data. Here, what I can provide, sir? 36 actually. Can I expect 99? No, sir. That's what. See, madam may not give 99. Madam may not give 79 also. Madam may not give 0 also. May not give what exactly? If 0 given, superior will tell to the, what exactly, Lakshmi madam, what is your teaching? You have to change your way of teaching actually. Why? Because students are getting what exactly? 0. Anything is a problem. But if madam have given what exactly? 36. That is okay. I'm in safe side actually. Now read these points, sir, everyone. Handling missing NaN value. Sometimes during data collection, data may miss actually. That missing data we can handle. That missing data, what we need to do? We can handle. This topic I can cover during 12th chapter actually. What chapter? 12th chapter. Sir, are you getting your one? Good, man. Good, good. All right. Lakshmi ma'am example is, yeah, good. All right. I like always to connect with the topic. I like some fun examples, sir. Right? If anyone unable to understand, or else if anyone unable to connect, actually, I'm sorry. Let us continue with the discussion. Good. Oh, here I already. We will learn more about NaN in 12th chapter, which is handling missing values in chapter. Sir, NONE, NaN, NaN, NUNLL, NULL. These are all similar names actually. These are all what exactly? Similar names. But NULL in real time we never ever use. First of all, that is not our terminology. But if anyone is coming from Java programming background, NULL. If anyone is coming from NumPy background, like previously you already know NumPy, then NaN, then Pandas, then this is what exactly? I will cry, sir. What is this one? Python. I hope you already know actually. These are all similar names. These are all representing to empty or missing data found in series actually. Found in what exactly? Series. Good. Sir, look at the output. Anyway, this again array representation actually. Look at the output actually. Good. Do let me know. 36, 70, NaN, 60, NaN means data is missing. What is missing? Data is missing. The representation is what exactly? NaN actually. Good. Let me show you one small example. Get ready. First of all, come on, import pandas as a PD. A equals to 10, sorry man, 10, 20, 30, 40. Now S equals to PD dot series. PD dot what exactly, sir? Series. Yeah. Now let me just try to print. Yes, actually. Tell me what is output, sir? Yeah. Now just try to come. Sorry. Go to here. All right. Yes, exactly. Hello boss, take this example. Let me show you the missing value representation also. Let me show you what exactly missing value representation also. Now just try to come here. Before here, there is a value. Value name is called as a NONE. What is the value? NONE, which is represented in a Python. But when it comes to pandas actually, now look at my screen very clearly. Wow, what is the representation, sir? NaN. Previously, though all are integer, what is the data type? Integer. Tell me one more time. All are integer. What is the data type? Integer. Just because of this NaN, the data type is float actually. It is changing nature of all other data types. It is changing nature of what exactly? All other data types. As of now, please don't focus on this data type actually. Please focus on this one, NaN. Means nothing but what exactly? Not a number. Also called as a missing value. Also called as what exactly? Sir, it should not display empty. If it is displaying empty, gone case actually. Lot of confusion. Instead of displaying empty, let me display something. That's what they brought this topic actually. That's what they brought. What exactly? Guys, are you getting or not, sir? Good. Keep in mind that. Yep. Execute this example. Yeah. You can still walk through this one also. Still, it is a numpy and array example actually. If it is all are numbers, then NaN representation. If all are strings, in between NO, NE also you can write actually. The representation is nothing but a NaN. What is the data type? Object. The data type you can ignore actually. Separate discussion. I made it like every point is a separate discussion actually. As of now, you can please ignore. Good. Sir, while loading any file, I mean to say that we are going to load a CSV file actually. Inside CSV file, there are missing values. There are what exactly? Missing. Hey, come on, man. What do you mean by missing value? No? Whenever you are filling online application, there is a star symbol. Star indicates to mandatory. Very good. Star indicates to mandatory. If no star means optional. Optional means backend missing value. That missing value representation is a NaN. That missing value representation is what exactly? Whenever you are filling any passport application, any other application, you know, first name, last name, middle name they will ask actually, but still they will make it something like what exactly? Optional. Backend it will store as a NaN. Backend it will store as what exactly? NaN actually. Keep in mind that. While loading any CSV or Excel JSON file, practical I will show you later. If column having the missing value, then pandas consider those values is what exactly? NaN. Sir, you know, almost 3 to 4 times I used this word actually. I'm sorry for saying this. We will learn same point in what exactly? Definitely, there is a connectivity. If you wanted to understand this point, upcoming topics it is depending upon actually. That's what. During string topic, I explained what is a just a class actually, but where I explained actually in object-oriented programming. Just keep in mind that. You know what? Still, I can delete this point actually, but I don't want to delete. If I delete also, no one cannot ask actually. Are boss, whenever you are learning this one, hold on. Regarding NaN, just 10% discussion. How much percentage actually? 90% discussion we can discuss in what topic actually? 12th chapter. Yeah, handling missing values. All right, sir. Good example. Sir, give me what will give an output actually. Oh, Pavan Kumar. Okay, Pavan Kumar, empty space. Empty. Sir, seems to be we may get an error actually. First of all, syntactically we may get error. But anyway, let me help you. One of our teammate is asking equals to 10, 20, 30 space actually. Sir, we may get a syntax error. Let me show you that. Nice question. I encourage all of your questions, sir. Please. If anyone having any questions, please just try to see. We are getting what exactly? Syntax error. Pavan sir, did you understand? The one who asked the question. Syntax error. It is not empty space. If you wanted to provide empty space, I will tell you. Come here, provide a double quotes. Provide what exactly? Double quote. Now just try to see. Yeah, empty space we are getting. What we are getting? Empty space. Are you getting or not, sir? Nice, man. All right. Take this example. Sir, fine then. The next topic is what exactly? We done with this one. NaN we done actually. Next topic is an attribute and methods. I will continue tomorrow. Why? Because you know the introduction is a bit important actually. Today I will give a small introduction. Tomorrow I will continue. It was not like that. I will continue tomorrow. Like some before 5 to 10 minutes, I am closing the session. Is it fine for you? I'm traveling actually. Yeah, fine then. Let me upload the material. This I will continue tomorrow. Please don't miss tomorrow's session, right? Uh, I will help you one thing. Today, I will help you with the recorded session link over the Telegram. Why? Because you know, who are all missing today's session, gone case. Tomorrow, if they wanted to connect actually, today discussion, they should know, right? Please keep in mind that. Fine then. So let me just try to. Sir, one small suggestion I would